channel. Thank you very much for clicking play. If this is your first time, please be sure to subscribe and share with your family and friends. If this is your first time and you still haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, click like, share with your family and friends. This is a channel where we talk about skincare, beauty, my life in Ghana, year of return, and the 750,000 people that are coming here. Every time I hear that number, I get stressed, but okay. So, this week we'll be talking about my nighttime routine. Last week we talked about my morning time routine, which was more nourishing and more protective. But then this week we're going to talk about my nighttime routine, which is even more nourishing. And my nighttime routine, I like to make sure I'm going to bed and I'm trying to heal all the damage that's been caused during the day. If I have acne, I'm trying to add ingredients in there that will help with acne. It's just like nighttime for me, when it comes to skincare, is all about nourishing and making sure I wake up the next morning renewed and ready to basically be attacked by the Ghanaian sun again. So, let's start this video by just going straight into cleansing. No, let's start with that. So my nighttime soap is sometimes different from my daytime soaps. My daytime soap is like the all lay, which is more moisturizing. But my nighttime soap, I like to use a black soap. And I use the black soap from Gourmet, which has 3 variances, which is the black soap and tea tree, black soap and baobab, and then black soap and peppermint. But I like to use the black soap and tea tree because I have acne prone skin. So that is, well, my preference. Whatever your preference is fine. So I use that because that is very cleaning. Like, black soap just knows how to get into your skin and clean it thoroughly. So I use that to clean the woes of the day, the dirt, the dust, the mess I've been through all day. I wash it off. Literally, it's like, what is that thing where John put Jesus in the water? A baptism. It's basically a baptism, but with soap. Then from there, I move on to cleansing. Now this is Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. Just like my morning routine, I love this so much. It's, as you can see, it's almost done. It's like finished. I use it to cleanse. Sometimes I wake up and just cleanse, even if I'm not going to take a bath immediately because I'm like running around my house doing stuff. But I wake up, I cleanse. This is soothing. It takes out dead skin cells, removes makeup, cleanses, soothes, and non-rinsing. And I love like the little moisture it adds to it. So from there, I cleanse, let it dry down a bit. Then I go into my first acid. My nighttime routine has more acids in them because acids are better used at night because they make your skin more sensitive to the sun. So I prefer to use my acids during the nighttime. So that's what I do. So my first acid is the Glycolic acid 7% toning solution from The Ordinary. So this is what it looks like. This is what the box looks like. Sorry, it's wore out and tore up. But I use this every night, so why wouldn't it be? And this is it in the solution. It's like a yellow solution with a cap. And I love this toner. It's basically my first step of exfoliation. If I don't exfoliate during the morning, or if I don't exfoliate at all, physically, like a physical exfoliation, which is the scrub or something, I always know I'm still removing dead skin cells, and dead skin cells and dirt are not compiling on top of my skin because I use this. It's really good for a topical peel, basically. It's a very gentle topical peel that you can use every day. So I love this. Then I go in with my trusted Neutrogena Hydro Boost with hyaluronic acid. Love this. So I spritz this all over my face. I pat it in because it doesn't give you a very, I don't know if it's because my bottle is old or I kept it in the fridge for a period of time, but it doesn't give you a really fine spritz. So sometimes you need to pat it in. So I spritz, I pat it in, I'm good. From there, this is like my first serum. From there, I move on to my second serum. My second serum is a little mixture of oils I made. So this is a mixture of a couple oils, but the main ingredients in this is tea tree and neem oil. Neem oil is my elixir of youth. Neem oil has so many amazing properties that you basically need for skin. I feel like neem oil is my secret to supple, beautiful skin. And no, I am not in the Ming dynasty. That is just my doorbell. It rained all day today and it's been going haywire. I don't know. But that's where the thing is from. So yes, I go in with this oil first. I don't know. This oil, and why I'm hesitant to basically tell everyone what's in this, or I've not even told my friends what's in this, is because I'm looking trying it out to see if it works. And if it does, your girl might put it on sale. You never know. So this is amazing. Neem oil, tea tree, main ingredients. Then from there, I go into my thicker serums, which is the salicylic acid 2% solution for blemish-prone skin. Blemish-prone skin here. I can't wake up. Okay, no, sometimes I do. My skin is just very annoying sometimes. Sometimes I get really, I remember at the beginning of this year, my skin was super clear for like all year long. It's just beautiful cocoa butter brown skin, glorious, glowing, beautiful. And then in August I broke out, and literally that was the worst breakout I've had in months. Like, it was super bad. I had acne. Not everywhere, but mainly on my cheeks area, and it wouldn't go away. It was not even whiteheads, it was underskin acne, and that, like, I get a mixture of whiteheads and underskin acne, and my underskin acne can stay forever if I don't pop it, and I didn't want to pop it, so then my skin just, like, went completely left. But that was fine. I was still going through my routine. I was like, Jesus, you are testing me, but I'm gonna pass. So that's when I got the salicylic acid. This is also from The Ordinary. My bad, I didn't show this. Is it? Oh my god, this light thing. How do YouTubers do this? Okay. Oh, you can see it. Sorry, I just saw it in the monitor. So yeah, this is Divine. Salicylic acid is a BHA acid, which means it penetrates deeper into your skin. It's great for people with acne because it goes into your skin. It cleans up your pores. So if you have big looking pores, it goes in there to clean it up, which can help reduce the appearance of your pores, make them look smaller. It's great with acne. It's also great with something I forgot. But anyways, it's amazing. And we'll talk about all these products or all these ingredients separately in upcoming videos, because this video is just to let you all know what I'm using, but everything I'm using has a purpose, basically, as I'm explaining, and I will go into deeper detail as to what each and every single product does. I'll go into deeper detail why you don't need to skip your cleansing step and why people do double cleanse. I sometimes do double cleanses. Like, the only time I do double cleanses is if I'm wearing makeup. If I wear makeup, then I'm going to do a double cleanse. Or if I feel like, oh, this day has been like super dusty and musty, I'll do a double cleanse. So, yeah. Don't worry. I tell you guys every week, there's more content coming, more fun things planned. So be sure to subscribe right there. It's over there. Mid-video plug. Subscribe, click the notification button, and that is that. So now that all my serums are in, everything is locked in, it's good, I need to lock it even in more. And, okay, well, sometimes I will end on this last serum and go to bed. But on days that I feel like I need that extra nourishing, I will go in with some more neem oil from Gourmet. Right there. There it is. So, I love neem oil. And we'll go into the benefits of neem. It has so many benefits. I remember I said, I didn't want to use neem oil. I remember I had neem oil for a while. Because Ginkgo gave me a couple. And I didn't want to use it because it smelled bad. And I didn't know what it was. I was like, And the CEO of Gourmet was like, you need to use neem oil. Neem oil is amazing. And I was like, okay, cool. So I started using it. In the beginning, the smell bother you, which is absolutely normal because it has a But after you use it for a while, everything will be fine. Because you barely smell it anyways. And my Neem Oil is for people who are single, which according to the pattern, I'm going to be single forever. So, cheers. And then I lock in moisture in my lips with the Skin Gourmet honey and mint lip balm. This lip balm is perfection for me. I love it. I use it as a night lip balm. I use it as a day lip balm. I use it as a base for my gloss. It's divine. So this, especially if you have dry lips, you need a lip balm at night so your lips don't dry up over the night and then it looks crusty in the morning and then you have to So that is it for my nighttime routine. After you're done, you'll be nice and dewy. Just go straight to bed, preferably on the satin sheet or silk pillowcases. I'm trying to get silk pillowcases this Christmas because I want to order them on Amazon and stuff. So go to bed on silk pillowcase or cotton roll and you sleep on, and you are set for the night. Yeah. So let me know what you think of this video in the comment section. Thank you for all the comments and basically clocking me for the previous videos. Listen, clock me all you want, sis, because that's how I'm gonna grow. I need y'all to tell me what I'm doing right, what I'm doing wrong. And thank you guys, because you guys keep on doing it. Every time I upload a video, so my friends, they're like, oh, okay, cool. Somebody on the last video was like, your lighting, sis, your lighting, no. Your lighting is not the girl. I took it in good faith. I did. And the lighting was not the girl. She was dark. Fluorescent light, Mariah told us, fluorescent light is not for us. But, she's stubborn sometimes. She doesn't listen to the queen. So anyways, be sure to follow me on all social media platforms. Also, one of you guys suggested I do actual demos instead of just showing products. And I will do demos in upcoming videos where I'm reviewing just one or two products, because there's a lot of products to be doing demos on. That's going to be a very long video. But if you want to see demos on these, which is my morning routine and my nighttime routine, please let me know in the comment section. I could set up an Instagram live. We could all go on there. I'll do a demo, show you how I apply products, how I wash my face, all these things. And then, yeah, grow from there. So, thank you very much for watching once again. And I hope to see you guys next week. Goodbye. Oh my god, I'm too cute.